step-by-step guide to create a Bitmoji. Hi everyone, meet Emily and Michael. Follow them to learn how they create their own Bitmojis. If you don't know what a Bitmoji is, watch our episode 1 to know more. Link in the description. The first step is to click and open the App Store or Google Play as shown. The next step is to search and download the Bitmoji application. If you need further assistance in downloading the application, please don't hesitate to reach us. Once the download is complete, open the application as shown. Step 4. Log in using your Snapchat account or sign up with email. Enter your date of birth, email address, and choose a password. Next step is to customize your avatar look. You can either start with a selfie or manually style your Bitmoji to match your desired preference. These can be changed any number of times at your convenience. Use the arrows to toggle between the features and save the avatar once you are satisfied with the look. You can now start using your personalized library of stickers. The last step is to turn on Bitmoji keyboard for easy access. Click the keyboard option at the bottom as shown and follow the instructions shown on your phone. You can now use Bitmoji in text, email, and on other popular social media applications like Snapchat, Twitter, Facebook, and more. Enjoy your personalized avatar while communicating with friends and family. Thank you for watching this video. This video is presented by the Boomer M, a non-profit organization that aims to bridge the global digital divide. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more.